Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today where I'm going to make quinoa porridge. Quinoa porridge. So this is a quinoa here. I have plantain, one green plantain. Then this is sea moss, Irish moss. This is the red kind. I have it soaking in the fridge. Let's get started. This was already washed and soaked in water, but I'm just rinsing them off. This is how they look. This is how they are. So guys, we're gonna add some water to the pot. Then we're gonna add our cinnamon leaf for it to come to a boil. So guys, we're gonna add some walnuts, quinoa, then we're gonna add the sea moss. Then we're gonna add the plantain, green plantains. Then we're gonna add some water. So guys, we're gonna add our ingredients now. Trying to get everything out. turn down your stove. Guys, I have to change pot. That pot is too small. So the nutmeg, gonna grate it. So guys, this is soaked dates, so I'm gonna blend them. I'm trying not to add sugar, so I think a better alternative is dates or honey, whichever you like. So guys, porridge is finished. This is how it looks, nice. Remember I have to change a pot because the other one is too small. Yeah, so this is it. So what I'm gonna sweeten it, this is nutmeg. Have some nutmeg in here. It's a big pot. So I'm gonna add extra cinnamon to it. Then I'm gonna add some salt to taste. Then I'm gonna add some vanilla. Then I'm gonna add some almond. Oh, I gotta turn the pot off. Then I'm gonna add some rose water. Then guys, I'm gonna add the dates. Gonna add the dates. I'm not gonna add any sugar, so the dates would have to substitute for the sugar, more natural. I don't want it to get any more thick because the sea moss inside of it will get thick on its own, so I think it's okay like this. Change its color because of the dates. Give it a taste. Add a little bit more vanilla. And that's it, guys. If I want, I can add condensed milk, but this is non-dairy. So this is it. So guys, this is bee pollen. Goji berry. And a little flax seed. And guys, this is a little coconut milk. So guys, this have all the healthy ingredients that your body needs. I try not to put any sugar because the dates already added for the sugar, and the grains and everything that's in it is healthy for your body. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.